If you need a coffee maker that gets the job done, then I have the perfect solution for you. You need to check out the Amazon Basic 5-cup coffee maker. It's a budget-friendly option, and for me, the quality is good. It's a sleek, compact design that fits perfectly in small spaces, and the black and stainless steel design finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Now, what I love about this coffee maker is that it comes with a reusable filter. So in the long run, you'll save on money by not having to buy coffee filters, and most importantly, save the environment. It also has a 5-cup capacity carafe for your coffee brew and a warm plate. It's easy to use. You just add your coffee grounds into the reusable filter, fill the carafe with desired amount of water, close the filter basket lid securely, position the empty carafe under the drip area, ensuring it sits correctly on the warm plate, and you're ready to start brewing by pressing the power button. Affordable, efficient, and eco-friendly. What more could you ask for in a coffee maker?
I really love the purchase of this Amazon Basic 5-cup coffee maker. It's just right for someone like me. I just make coffee for myself. I just fill up my little coffee cup, measure it about right here, and then pour it in the back. Pour it about right here, your water. And I put my 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. And also, I love this reusable filter. Save money there. Okay, don't hate on my nails. I know I need my nails done, but anyway. And you turn on this little button here. Turn the on button on. There you go. And voila, it starts to brew. Got your little thing there. Again, I love it. Highly recommend it.
Okay guys, so I just received this. I was very excited. My 12 cup. It's Amazon Basics. I literally just received it. It only took 2 days. I love Amazon. I figured I would give their brand a try. As you can see, it looks beautiful. It's a big 12 cupper. Nice design. And I normally like this. I got from Amazon as well, but I like this very sleek design. Very pretty. It did not take long. It was really quiet. And now I'm going to have a little taste test.
Alright guys, so I just got my Amazon coffee maker, but it came without the main part. As we all see, it's nowhere to be found. For me, it's a double cheese for the dub.
Very thin.